I must finish these mats for the market.
Mama, you look so tired.
Don't worry, my little one. We'll be okay.
I love you, Mama. This will be the best drawing ever. Hee hee hee, look at the sun. Now some rays, whoosh. I love playing like this.
Let's spread it out together, Sona.
Okay, Mama, I'm helping.
That's it. Almost there.
We did it.
Yes, we did. Good job, my helper.
This is for you.
You've given so much.
For me, Papa.
Everything for you.
Papa, you look so thirsty.
I'm fine, Sona. Just a little tired.
Please, rest for a moment.
All right, Sona. Thank you.
Papa Cat, I got the water.
Oh, Sona, you did this for me? Thank you, my brave pup. We earned this, little one.
We did it together.
I'm proud of you.
Popcat, the patty! No, it's ruined! I'll get it! Hold on! Papa Cat, look! A wallet!
A wallet? Here?
It's full! Maybe we can use it!
Oh, Sona. This could change everything.
Oh, my wallet! You found it!
We did! We wanted to return it!
Thank you so much. This means the world. He's a good pup. He certainly is.
For your honesty, please take this.
Oh, thank you, sir. This is too kind.
Wow, thank you so much!
We are so grateful. Thank you.
You deserve it.
For your honesty, young one.
Thank you! I'm so happy!
It's too much. We cannot accept all this. Please, you must. It's for your family.
Look, Papa Cat.
Thank you, truly.
We're almost home, Sona. I can't wait to show everyone.
Welcome home, my dears! Yay, you're back!
And we brought gifts.
For everyone!
Oh, where are they? I'm so worried.
Mama, we're home!
We're back, my love.
My darlings, you're safe.
I missed you, Mama!
We're all together now.
Wow, my new clothes are so cool! You look wonderful, sweetie.
We're so proud of you, champ.
Thank you, Mama and Papa. Woof woof, yay! Our happy little family.
Dinner is almost ready, my loves.
It smells so good, Mama! Woof, I'm so hungry.
You've outdone yourself, my dear.
I'm so happy we're together.
Sona, your honesty makes me so proud.
Oh, Sona, really?
Yes, you returned the coin you found.
What a brave, honest pup. Thank you. I love you so much, my dear Sona.
I love you too, Mama Cat.
What a beautiful family moment.
Yay, family love!
এই পূর্ণিমার রাতে সব কষ্ট দূর হয়ে গেছে।
হ্যাঁ, এখন শুধুই শান্তি আর ভালোবাসা।
তোমার সাথে এই মুহূর্তটা চিরস্থায়ী হোক।
সোনা, তুই আমাদের জন্য যা করেছিস তা অমূল্য।
হ্যাঁ, টাকার চেয়েও বড় তোর ভালোবাসা।
আমি শুধু তোমাদের ভালোবাসি। তুই আমাদের আসল সম্পদ, সোনা।